Okay, let's now talk about visibility and publishing. We actually missed this in the uploading stuff. We just skimmed through it very quickly. And this is very important. In order to access visibility section, you need to just press while you're in the video details right here, and you will have several options with your visibility and publishing. You can have save or publish right here, or you can have a schedule. This is the two sections that you need to pay attention to. So while you upload a video, you usually upload the video as a private video. So what the private video is a video that is available only for you, only for the uploader. So this is made only in the case that you want to just save videos for the later consumption or for the later use. This is only for you. So this, if you upload the video in private, it's going to be available only for you. It's not going to be available for everyone, not with a link. Nobody can access and find the video. It can be available only for you. So I suggest you to use the private only before you're gonna use some metadata, you're gonna use some thumbnails, etc. Well, until you finish working on video itself and until video is ready to be released. Next is unlisted. Unlisted video is type of video that can be accessed only if you have a link or it is in a playlist, and cannot be found or in a public or through search. So people cannot stumble upon unlisted video. You can send a link to them and then only they can get there. So unlisted videos are used only if you have a type of videos that you don't want to be looked in the public, or if you want to share video with someone without getting just in an algorithm and potentially getting seen by recommended and by everyone. So that's the only place that you want to see your unlisted. Or if you want to do it in playlist, because in playlist still might be public and the video will be unlisted in it, and still it can be accessible only through playlists. And public is, of course, it's public. It's just publicizing the video, which is very good thing. That's the only thing that you can go and just share the video with everyone. And when you go with the public, you have an access to as an instant premiere. I'm going to be talking about premieres a bit later through the schedule. So if you go with the public and then press done and press save, the video will become public right away. So next option we have is a schedule. So scheduling means that you want to go and make a video public from private. You cannot schedule the video from unlisted. You can make schedule video only from private. You can want to video make public from private on the certain time. That's the thing that I use always. I just schedule video on a certain time of the day, every single time on the day that I want to publish my video. You can select the date right here. It's usually showing you in time zone. Like in my case, it's a GMT +4. You can plus right here. It's your own time, so it's not gonna be a problem. Select the date and then press done. If you press a premiere, then this video will be scheduled as a premiere. If you don't know what premiere is, it is type of scheduling when your video is actually not just being public and just viewable for everyone. It is being released as a premiere or something like a live stream. So your subscribers will get that video will be premiered on a certain date. And it will be available. People can access, people can see this video, but when they open it, they will see that video will premiere on the date that you chose right now. On that date, 2 minutes before that time that you chose, the timer video will start playing. 2 minutes, I don't remember, or 1 minute. I think it's 2 minutes if I'm not wrong. 2 minutes before. While it is on, while the video is ready for the premiering, you have an access to the chat as same thing as a live stream. There will be a chat right here and people can access the chat and just talk in the chat, etc. And after that, your video will start playing. People cannot scrub to the video. They cannot go back and forth. I think they can go back, but they cannot go forward. And the video will play in its entirety. And after video is done, then video will be available for everyone to watch. So this is like an experience for your viewers and subscribers. If you have more or less amount of subscribers, that's a really good way to communicate with them and to entice the communication with your videos. I'm not gonna save this one because I'm not gonna publicize this video just yet. This video is too early to be public. So premieres are a good way, but if you have a small channel, it's a bit difficult because majority of your premieres will be pretty empty. There will be no people there because there will be no one there to watch because you will not have loyal subscribers just yet. But eventually, you will do. So use the premieres just to communicate with them, just to have a place together. That's what premieres are for. Well, this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one.